First, we will press the power button to get the machine on, to power it on. And there is the timer and the ionizer and the UV lamp and the reset, sleeping mode, children lock, and filter change reminder. Also, there is the auto function with humidifier. There are different wind grade. You can touch the panel to increase the wind speed. 拍我的头发。Yeah, you can see the wind speed. Okay. Yes, you can see the machine. The side view and the dust sensor, the handle, and the humidifier box is here. Humidifier box.